This video shows a typical use case for Blackbird's Power BI data platform. We'll now look at oil and gas production data for a particular operator and lease. Users get to this data platform through a link on the login page at blackbirdbi.com. For these answers, we'll click on this Power BI online data report called US Well Production Data. We are on the summary page, and we have a filter already set to Midland SubBasin, and operator filter set to Pioneer. This page ties it all together so you can get lots of answers fast. These visuals correspond to these page names and these columns in the table. So here's our 8782 oil IP rates we just looked at in a different video. Let's arrow down on this table to county, and we can see Pioneer has been the most active in Midland County with 762 new wells since 2014. That's where the highest IP rates are for oil and gas, and where Pioneer has the most oil and gas production. This visual shows oil is declining faster than gas during the first 2 years, and that oil production drops to 45 barrels per day by the end of 5 years. This is the average type curve for all 2,200 Pioneer horizontal wells in Midland SubBasin. These can be analyzed closer on these 4 curves pages. Cumulative oil production per well can be seen in more detail on these 4 pages. Oil production reaches 196,000 barrels per well by the end of 18 months, and plenty of natural gas too. Now let's find a certain lease. We noticed in our other Power BI report that Pioneer has some permits and DUCs on a lease named Texas 10YPU. So we used this filter box to look for any producing wells. We can see 71 wells started since 2014 on this lease, and that oil production was over 8,000 barrels a day recently. Let's go to the Oil Prod 1 page, and we can see most of these wells came online in years 2016 through 2018. If you need lats and longs for your maps or any other data, you can export it to Excel by clicking on More Options in any visual. This data page has 2 tables filled with all the data you see in the visuals. We make it easy for you to find wells and get the details.